मंद मंद पवन बहे, पुष्पन सुगंध समीर लेत उडत, मन उलसित भयो आज, आवरी आवरी सखिया गाव.
The fundamental expression and the form of all the arts actually are exactly the same. So every artist within his medium is trying to express himself. The painter is filling up a space, and on the other hand the musician is not filling up the space, he is filling up the time. आता ह्या दोन्ही गोष्टी जेव्हा एकत्र करतो तेव्हा that form, the similarity of the form is what we are trying to explore.
Every year we go for these holidays which are known as painting holidays, and these happen with Milind Morig. And this time when we were planning, our destination was Banaras, which very much attracted Aarti Tai, and she wanted to join us for this vacation, but due to a busy schedule she could not. But when we came back and we were planning for the exhibition and we were generally discussing, Aarti Tai just said, why not Milind's Rang and her ragas come together?
Pandita Aarti Tai, her gaiki, her singing style is influenced positively by all the three gharanas of her gurus. She is absolutely aggressive artist, I would say. She will make you take note of every taan or every sur that comes from the microphone. Pandit Ramdas Palsule, disciple of Pandit Suresh Dada Talwalkar, and has been accompanying the legends of instrumentalists and vocalists in India, abroad. And Milind Kulkarni, of course, I was talking about the singing harmonium. What a composer can do when he accompanies is what we will see today when he accompanies Aarti Tai.
Kare badarwa van neel nabhachavan, kare badarwa van badarwa. जेव्हा राग संगीत गायलं जातं तेव्हा त्याच्या गांभीर्यामुळे आणि त्यातली जी पुकार आहे त्याच्यामुळे त्याच्यात थोडीशी वेदना जाणवते संगीतामध्ये. आणि मिलिंदना केवळ त्यातला आनंद दिसतो.
I have certain habits, formed. And it becomes very difficult for me to break out of my habit, break out of my comfort zone. But live music will take its own path. And if I am really surrendered to the music, my painting will take that path.
मिलिंदच्या हातामध्ये ब्रश असो नसो, मिलिंदचं अस्तित्व हे इट सेल्फ एक पेंटिंग आहे मला वाटतं. करे बदरे आराधे बिन लागे असतो की जेव्हा कानांचे प्राण होतात किंवा डोळ्यांचे प्राण होतात, तिथे संगीत वेगळं चाललंय आणि पेंटिंग चाललंय वेगळं, असं तुम्हाला जर वाटलं नसेल असं मला वाटतं.
हां, किंवा संगीतात तुम्हाला जर चित्र दिसलं असतं आणि चित्रात संगीत जर सापडलं तर तो खरा आमचा
क्या बात.
विजय.
अगदी खरंच.
The spirit of all art form is the same, but somehow their audiences are very, very different. So through Rag and Rang, it was our effort to just get these different audiences together and create this beautiful and unique experience which could be unforgettable for them.